Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of SharePoint Online within Microsoft 365. SharePoint Online is a powerful tool for modern workplace collaboration. It's designed to help teams work together more efficiently. At its core, SharePoint Online is a cloud-based service that helps organizations create websites, manage content, and share information securely. It offers capabilities ranging from internal communication sites to document management and custom applications, all accessible from any device. SharePoint Online is an integral part of the Microsoft 365 suite, seamlessly connecting with other popular tools. Its integration within the M365 ecosystem is key, allowing for a unified and productive digital workplace experience. It works particularly well with Microsoft Teams for teamwork and OneDrive for personal file storage, enhancing collaboration flow. Let's look at some of the core features that make SharePoint Online so essential for businesses today. You can easily create dynamic team sites, communication sites, and modern pages to share news and information across your organization. SharePoint excels in document management, offering features like version control, co-authoring, and robust search capabilities alongside customizable lists. It's the perfect platform for building a company intranet, serving as a central hub for organizational news, resources, and employee engagement. The advantages of adopting SharePoint Online extend across several business functions. By centralizing information and providing collaborative workspaces, SharePoint significantly improves teamwork and information sharing efficiency. It also provides enhanced security and compliance features, helping protect your valuable data and meet regulatory requirements. SharePoint Online in Microsoft 365 is a game changer for modern collaboration. Start exploring its power today.